I'm about to reveal the exact step-by-step process to build a $20,000 per month online coaching business in 2026. Because right now, the online coaching industry is literally exploding, especially in fitness. But there's a big problem. Most coaches will never succeed because they're still using the same outdated techniques that have been saturating your social media feed for the last couple of years. However, this creates a massive opportunity for the people who actually know what they're doing. And I can say this confidently because online coaching is literally all I do all day, every single day. I built multiple seven-figure businesses and I've helped thousands of coaches scale to 20K a month and beyond. So if you're serious about building a real coaching business, not just posting topless selfies and hoping for the best, lock in for the next 15 to 20 minutes. This is the exact blueprint I wish I had when I first started. Let's get into it. Step one. This is very simple and it's an offer and with a clear outcome with a mechanism. Now, essentially, what does that mean? What is the pain point and the problem you actually solve? Who is it for? And the more specific you are to this, guess what? The better your offer tends to convert. The reason people don't scale their coaching business isn't because you lack skill, it's because you can actually blend into the abyss and you sound exactly like everyone else. Which is why the more clarity you have in terms of the offer you have and the solution you have and the unique mechanism around that, the more sellable and the more sexy your program sounds. And the framework I want to think about when it comes to this, and this is generally marketing all over, is essentially what you want to be doing is you are selling the vacation, but you're not like selling the flight on the way there. So we want to sell the end destination, not the process. And the more you're clear about that, rather than selling to eat chicken and broccoli and rice, you're selling the end outcome in terms of how people will feel from the offer perspective, the more sexy it's going to sound. Now, when it comes in terms of the clear mechanism, what you want to have is your unique selling points. Let's call it unique selling mechanism. Now, what essentially would that be? Some examples we've used in our own fitness business would be something like called the HOT method. So what does a HOT method stand for? Hormone optimization training. Sounds very sexy, right? That pulls people in. One of the most powerful words you can also use within your unique selling mechanism is going to be the word new. This is one of the most powerful words in marketing. You want to utilize as much as possible on the front end. Now, I speak about offer. There's a couple of things you kind of want to talk about when it comes to offer as well. It's not just in terms of like what problem you solve, it's the length, the duration of that program and the offer and how much you actually charge, because those are some of the biggest variables that make the most difference when it comes to scaling your business. So simply stop asking, what do I sell? And start thinking, what do I do differently? Step number 2 is mastering content that converts. Why do we say this? Because there is no point getting views and likes, yet you stay broke. And I see so many people in the fitness industry like that. So what does this specifically look like? There are 2 types of content. There's a content that gets you discovered. So this is going to be, let's put top of funnel. So that's going to be very broad, pull in eyeballs. And then the second type of content we want to be making is going to be for authority. And then it's going to be trust-based. Now, I would actually add a third bonus one in here that I'm a big believer in, which is going to put social proof. This is basically all you want to be doing in terms of all of your content, all your traffic. You want stuff that's going to get discovered, pull people into your world, and the framework of any other type of content, it's going to be 3 things. Stuff that creates authority, stuff that creates trust, and stuff that creates social proof and shows social proof. If you tick those 3 boxes and you get the top of funnel traffic, people will want to buy from you. Now, the quickest way to actually get this method to work is something called the Picasso method. Now, essentially, what you are doing is you are looking for content that works, and then you are rewriting that specific to your own offer and your own niche from step 1. So if you want the best tool in terms of how to do this online to implement the Picasso method, take other people's content and rewrite it into your own. If you DM me AI Viral on my Instagram account, there's a link below. I will send you the exact custom tool we've built for our own business. This works on organic content and also on paid ads. Now, when it comes to some of the 2 variations of content you want to be thinking about with this, that content that converts, you've obviously got Reels. These are predominantly going to work better for the top of funnel. And the second thing you can have is carousels. These work phenomenally well, and particularly when you're going to attach them to lead magnets and strong CTAs. Now, how do you apply this in a practical world? This allows you to spend more time actually focusing on the content that works and less guesswork, which is essentially how you get your business to move faster in 2026. Step number 3 is master DMs. Now, this is a natural process in terms of how we're helping you build your business. You've got the offer, the outcome, you've got the traffic that's coming through, and then what do we need to do? We need to get conversations to the ultimate outcome, which is then a call. Or a buying conversation, if you want to call it that. So where do people get wrong with DMs? The biggest thing they do is they actually think DMs are sleazy, and ultimately you have to understand if you want to make more money, then you need to have more conversations, because every purchase you will ever make in life will come from some type of conversation. So our goal is to create content that creates conversations, to then create calls, which is the exact framework we're revealing to you. Now, the big thing, what you actually want to do with these conversations is this, and this is one of the most powerful words in business, qualify. So you want to find the people who you should be getting on a call and the people you shouldn't. So you can tell this straight away just from looking at things like people's profile, where are they from. You should know who your perfect customer, perfect avatar is, and that's who you really want to be spending your time on. Now, in terms of mastering the DMs, the big thing you want to focus on initially is going to be outbounds, and then secondly is going to be follow-ups. So the minimum amount of outbounds you want to do every day is around 100, is a minimum for someone who's looking to scale their business. If you can do 100 new conversations a day, we'd be looking for you to basically book a minimum of probably 3 calls, so 3% call rate. In terms of follow-ups, this can vary, but if you were doing 100 new conversations a day, I'd be looking to around 300 follow-ups per day, because most people will not book a call from the first message or the first conversation. Now, what we do is we build systems for our clients who can then do this. And what we actually do in our own business, we do maybe sometimes 1,200 follow-up messages every single day, which is also why we generate hundreds of thousands of pounds every single month. Because what we do is we don't have guesswork, we systematize to get the exact outcome we want. Now, when you're actually in the conversation, one of the things you want to focus on from a language perspective is actually what's called mirroring. So you almost want to say back to someone what they've said to you and make sure they actually feel heard and understood. Because what you want to do is create curiosity in terms of how you actually solve the problem, which is ultimately, if you come back to step number 1, which is talking about the unique mechanism and the offer, that should create curiosity in terms of how to solve the problem. We spoke about new being the word in here. This is how we're trying to pull people in to want to have a call, because they want to know what the secret new solution is that you have to their problem. Now, ultimately, when it comes into DMs, you want to think about it from this framework. You want to stop pitching and start guiding people. If you guide people to their own conclusions, that essentially they can't solve these problems themselves, you can get the qualified people into a call, get them to sign up as a client, and ultimately scale your business. Step number 4, we've now got someone on a call. It's going to be sales. And this is where the rubber meets the road. And this is where so many coaches go completely wrong, because you are afraid of selling. Now, the reality is your job is to do one very simple thing. It's to help someone do this, which is what the majority of people cannot actually do, is make a decision. The most successful people in life are the most decisive. And even if you think about this from a financial perspective, money loves speed, poverty loves indecision. You need to move fast, and you need to get your prospects to essentially understand this framework. That their problem hasn't gone away, they've probably been struggling for a few years. If they kick the can down the road for another 6 months, what's going to change? Nothing other than they're 6 months older. Now, one of the big mistakes that a lot of people make is they fall into being presenters in their sales calls. Your job is not to take someone through a PowerPoint presentation of A to Z in terms of how the metabolic priming diet works. Your job is to actually have a proper conversation. The framework in terms of what we teach in 7-figure scaling systems is the closer framework. And this is an abbreviation. And the first most important part of this is the C stands for clarify, North Star, so like what is it they want. The second, the L, is for label the problem. What is the actual issue they have of why they haven't achieved their goal? And then O is observe past pain. What have they done previously to try and solve this problem? This is the most important part of the framework. If you want the whole rest of the whole sales script and framework, if you DM me on Instagram, sales script, I'll send you over the full thing. Absolutely crushes, and this will make sales effortless and make you more money than probably anything else in this video. If I was gonna give you one bonus tip, people buy based upon emotion. So what you wanna actually be focusing on is emotion in calls, not logic. The easiest way to do this is to ask their partner's names, their kids' names, and you want to use those as much as possible in the conversation. Why? Because it creates trust, it shows you're listening, and it shows you actually care. And I'll leave you with this. It's one of my favorite sayings. A genius doesn't have great answers, he asks great questions. And the best salespeople ask phenomenal questions. Step number 5. This is how you grow your business for free, and that is referrals. And ultimately, you want to create fulfillment that is so good that people can't actually stop telling their friends. Now, this is so easy in fitness. Why? If I work with Mike behind the camera and I help him drop 20 pounds in an 8-pack for the first time, do you think his friends are going to notice? Do you think they're going to ask, what have you done? They're like, oh, I worked with Charlie, dude, he completely changed my life. What then do you think happens? Like, who's Charlie? How can I work with him? How can I help? And this is why it's so easy in terms of scaling a business if you're actually good at what you do. Transparently, it's one of the reasons why 7-Figure Scaling Systems is growing so fast. Now, if you want to know how you can grow your business forever, for free, infinitely, is this very simple formula. If you can get 1 client to recommend 2 clients, guess what happens? Your business will literally skyrocket forever. And that's where you have to have referral systems in your business to incentivize your clients to recommend friends, keep your churn percentage low, which is the percentage of clients who leave, and your business will basically print money and print clients. The churn percentage, the gold standard, if you can do this, is to get under 5%. If you can do that, you have a phenomenal business. You can then be very aggressive on the front end and getting that machine to grow. And what's the secret to making this happen? 1 is to actually have a referral system that you can actually ask clients to get you clients. And number 2 is you're actually tracking your churn and your data. These are some of the key levers we actually work with the clients that help them grow their businesses phenomenally fast. And it's much simpler than you actually realize. And finally, we have step number 6. This is the most sexy part. This is how we put rocket fuel behind the entire thing from step 1 to step 6. If you get this right, you can make millions and millions and millions and millions online. And I say this from someone who spent $100,000 on paid ads last month. This is the biggest lever you can pull, which is basically like the infinite glitch when it comes to business and traffic and online. If you can put this very simple framework, if I can put $1 in the front end and I make say $4 out the back end, I just keep spending money. I can book as many calls as I want. I can get as many leads as I want. I can build my business as fast as I want. And ultimately, this is a very simple framework when you have some of these basic underground principles in play. Now, there's 3 terms of steps in terms of strategies we help clients with in growing their business. 1 is going to be the boosted follower funnel. Very simple. We help clients from day 1 pretty much implement that because do you want to grow your business slow? Do you want to grow your business fast? Personally, I'd rather like make money today rather than in 3 years' time. Number 2 is DM messenger ads. These absolutely crushed a few years ago. They are starting to come back now. And number 3 is the ultimate machine for scaling your business on paid advertising, but it's the hardest to execute, which is why we only execute this with coaches who have got the intestinal fortitude, the skill set, and want to have a big business, is a VSL. If you get a VSL to work on cold traffic, you will never, ever, ever have to worry about your leads ever again, because you can literally just book in as many calls as you want. You don't even need DM setters. That's where you take someone from a cold ad to a sales call to a client, and it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. It's like the Pablo Picasso of online marketing and fitness, and very few people can pull that off. We can give a good example of one of our clients, Mez and Rach, who actually just started working with me about 2 weeks ago on this. I scripted their ads, they launched the VSL. 3 days later, they had 1 call come in from an ad, like a 3K payment through, bang, direct from call to close to client. It's simple and it's seamless. And if you know how to do that, it becomes effortless. Now, where people go wrong with paid ads is they don't understand the basic numbers, they don't actually understand how this should work, and they don't know what good looks like. When you've done this over and over again, it gets incredibly simple. If I was going to give you one of the big mistakes I see coaches make, is they need to actually personally detach themselves from money. We have a client who actually spoke to the other day. He's making £50,000 a month. He spends £3,000 a month on ads. He's like, how do I get my ads to work better? It's like, dude, you spent 3 grand, you made 50. You should need to put 0 behind it and you could make 500 grand. So ultimately, if you get this step right, nothing else kind of matters. And this is ultimately how we helped 23 coaches break 6 figures in the last 6 months alone. And in terms of how easy this is to implement, it's like 1 + 1 = 2. Look, none of this is actually complicated though, but it does require doing things in the right order. And that's where most people actually go wrong. They jump ahead. They try to scale before anything underneath them actually works. So they become the busy fool, but nothing in their business really changes. And if you take one thing from this video, it's this. Don't rush past building the foundation, get the offer right, make sure the message actually lands, build something that converts before you try to pour fuel on it. If you want help doing that properly, hit the link below. If you take any value from this video at all, then check out the next video on screen now. It's packed full of more information specifically about how you can scale your online coaching business. So I'll see you there.